This looks sweet with the green.
Appreciate it.
You like got a theme with green everywhere.
Yeah, it was all accidental, man.
You got the green bass knob. And
it was 100% by accident. This was the only bass knob they had in stock, and it was green. I was like, well, I suppose I'll do green.
You want to give me a walk around real quick?
Yeah,
just tell me all the intro real quick.
Yeah, we can. It's 12 DS18 6.5s, 8 DS18 Super Tweets. It's 8 ZV5 12s, 4 Sundown 4Ks, and 2 200.4s. It's 2 JS 370s, a Powermax 250 alternator, 100 amp hour limitless lithium. Just pretty basic stuff, man.
And you added to the port so you liked it? What
Yeah, we tuned it down. It was pretty, tuned a little bit high.
Okay.
Tuned it down.
Probably opened it up. Have you metered it?
Yeah, it's 158, 37.
That's good for back seats too.
Yeah, for a seatbelt.
Yeah. How big? How big is your sealed section? Or is this? Yeah, this is.
Over there.
Okay.
It's 2.2 to 1/4.
All right. Nice.
It makes just a little bit of noise. It's not a lot.
Heck yeah.
So what's up, man? You want to hear it?
I'm ready.
24, 25 hertz up to like mid 40s.
I can actually get into the 50s without much trouble.
Really? Oh wow. Heck yeah. You got a song maybe around that, or?
Actually, I can do you one better. What?
50 hertz, so that'll squeeze you a little bit. Nice doors and tweeters.
It's all custom built. This is a 6-week-old build.
Okay.
And we just started it and we're like, well, we'll try to see what happens.
Yes, sir.
Well, let's get up around 48.
All right.
What's up with y'all? I'm gonna take this time right now to thank the men, Paul and Juicy, for making all this possible, you know what I'm saying? When you're coming from the Bay, put into it, you know what I'm saying? Basically. finna rock this. We did it again. And I'm saying, let me tell you something.
Pretty good bandwidth. Yeah, that's good. Heck yeah. Can I check out the amp? The alternator and all that? Oh yeah. Nice lifted truck too. Appreciate it, man. Demo bus. How big is your lift?
7.5. Sitting on 35.
Okay. You see your wires squeaking through? It's all green. You're right. Pretty nice, man. Wow. Nice cock box. What?
I got that cock box from this fine fella.
I like your 3D printed fuse block. Nice. You got good voltage too. Whew. Appreciate the demo, man.
Absolutely, dude.
That's What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.